Okay, Honda Jazz 2014 onward, install for 9-inch Android GPS big screen player. So with OEM big screen casing plug and play, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. It's got a mic input and reset, 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Full menu. If you go to setting, okay, network, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, 16 gig storage, 2 gig RAM, video input, video output, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Android system, got a download YouTube ways from the Play Store. File manager, it's got a 2 USB slot, which is connect with a USB extension you put in a drawer. Mirror link function, selected phone model. Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or close all. So nighttime driving, turn on the headlight, so the light is turned on. Okay, so this is Convex 9-inch Android GPS big screen player, 2 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, 2.5D glass capacitance touchscreen. Installed in Honda Jazz 2014 to 2014 onward. OEM socket, OEM casing plug and play. Buy one piece. Thank you.